In the annals of Pakistan's political history, the general election of 2024 stands out as a glaring example of electoral deceit and manipulation. The stage was set for what would be dubbed as the mother of all rigging. Pre-poll maneuvering saw leaders of the largest political party detained or arrested and their voices silenced. Chaos ensued as nomination papers were snatched from PTI candidates.
घरों में इन्होंने छापे मारे हैं, उनको मारा है, उनसे सारे कागज छीने हैं.
While proposers and seconders found themselves abducted, their voices muted by fear.
I'm sorry.
January 13th marked a dark turn as PTI was robbed of its party symbol, forcing its candidates into election fray as independents aimed at undermining their legitimacy.
Supreme Court ruling is the latest setback for jailed Imran Khan before general election, as party's electoral symbol on ballot papers is significant for voters. And now PTI candidates will need to contest the election using individual symbols, which could confuse voters. It will not be possible for them to join PTI even after winning these elections, because they can only join a party which is duly enlisted with the Election Commission. Now, Khan's party, at odds with powerful army generals, has been grappling with a military-backed crackdown.
Despite a nationwide mobile service shutdown to stifle voters' turnout, PTI supporters defied the odds, casting their ballots in unprecedented numbers, much to the authorities' dismay. PTI's dominance at the polls was undeniable. Yet at 2 a.m., the result mysteriously ceased. The people's mandate held hostage by unseen hands. PTI's clear majority dwindled into minority through manipulation, especially in key regions like the Federation and Punjab. Despite receiving 18.5 million votes, PTI's two-thirds majority was surpassed in terms of seats, as their final tally amounted to 93, while PMLN with 14 million votes secured a significant presence in the legislative body. Same rings true in Punjab, where PTI's 13.4 million votes translated into 117 seats, while PMLN's 12.4 million votes resulted in 138 seats, indicating significant rigging in favor of PMLN.
ये बिल्कुल सही है कि ये कहा गया पेशकश होती रही, लेकिन मैंने कहा कि नहीं, ये देखिए मेरा ज़मीर इजाज़त नहीं देता कि मैं जाली मैंडेट के साथ जो है मैं असेंबली में जाऊं.
Despite setbacks, PTI maintained considerable support, but their candidates were coerced into switching loyalties, bending to the will of the establishment-backed party. Votes continue to be tampered with, showcasing a government's blatant disregard for the public's trust and democratic principles.
मैंने जो इस इलेक्शन में गलत काम किया है, रावलपिंडी के 13 एमएलए की सीटें जो हारे हुए लोगों को हमने जितवाया है, लोगों की 70 हजार की लीड को हमने उनकी शिकस्त में बदला है, और आज भी हमारे लोग बैठ के जेली बोले लगा रहे हैं.
It fails to represent the people of Pakistan, lacking the legitimacy and trust necessary to govern effectively. The repercussions rippled through the political and economic fabric, perpetuating instability and uncertainty for the nation. The people's mandate stolen and manipulated cries out for redemption, for a government that truly embodies the will and aspirations of the Pakistani people,